Hi guys, in this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to using current year index or current year accidents from our data. So this is our data, right? Big data. Here in an accident index there's a unique numbers. So we are going to using that unique number to find out unique number, how to calculate to find unique numbers from here. So these are two tables that's already joined, right? So we are going to use and how to find, right? So let's go to our dashboard. But here, select Control A, Control C, and Control V. See? Okay, perfect. And now we're going to create a okay. Come to on accident and severity. Right click, new measure. We want to get a new measure. This new measure we're going to code current year accident, current year accidents using YTD functions, total YTD. Okay, so using account function, count. And now we are going to get from this date from our own calendar, from the date functions from here. So this one, date exceedance. After this one, comma, closing. We are using expressions, y to d expressions, and dates and filter. We are going to year into to date, comma. Then now we're going to using y our calendar date. Then closing, and then to click enter. Yes, it's already created. And this one we are going to remove. We are going to use is a current year accidents. See guys, we already got percentage and it's already. So this way, guys, how to create your full stack data analyze project from start to end. After this course, you are going to learning how to create a full stack data analyze project from start to end. You are going to create. So I'm looking forward to seeing you how to create all these fundamentals, all these functions about the data analyze in Power BI project. So bye for now. See you on my next tutorial.